back to Foresights TV with me, Isma. Boeing's recent failure to safely return Indian origin astronaut Sunita Williams and her colleague Butch Wilmore to Earth has significantly impacted the aerospace company's reputation and employee morale. The incident, which involves Boeing's Starliner space capsule, has led NASA to rely on its competitor SpaceX to retrieve the astronaut who has been stranded in space for over 2 months. This situation has not only exposed technical and operational failures but also highlighted broader challenges facing Boeing and its relationship with NASA. This report delves into the specifics of the failure and the implications for Boeing and the NASA strategic response. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Boeing's Starliner space capsules was designed as a key component to NASA's strategy to ensure reliable crew transportation to the International Space Station or ISS. However, shortly after Starliner's arrival at the ISS, critical malfunctions were detected. A helium leak and thruster issues were identified, rendering the capsule unsafe for the return journey to Earth. These malfunctions raises significant concerns about the capsule's readiness and reliability for future missions. Given the safety concerns associated with Starliner, NASA decided to rely on SpaceX's Crew Dragon to bring the stranded astronauts back to Earth. The decision to use SpaceX, a direct competitor, underscores NASA's commitment to prioritizing astronaut safety over contractual obligations. SpaceX is expected to launch its 9th regular mission to the ISS on September 24th, with a subsequent mission scheduled for February 2025 to return the astronauts. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson emphasized the importance of understanding the root causes of the issues with Starliner and implementing necessary design improvements. The failure of Starliner has had profound repercussions for Boeing. Employees within the company have expressed feelings of humiliation and frustration, particularly given the ongoing scrutiny related to previous commercial flight accidents. An unnamed Boeing employee cited a significant drop in morale and a sense of embarrassment, noting that the reliance on SpaceX for the astronauts' return further tarnishes Boeing's reputation. The company's response to the incident, including shifting blame onto NASA, has been met with skepticism and criticism. Boeing maintains the Starliner as safely returned astronauts, but NASA's decision to opt for SpaceX indicates a lack of confidence in the capsule's current capabilities. Boeing's contract with NASA, valued at $4.5 billion, was intended to establish Starliner as a secondary means of crew transportation to the ISS. The additional $1.5 billion spent on the mission further complicates Boeing's financial situation. The need to return Starliner empty without the astronauts represents a significant setback, not only in terms of mission objectives but also in financial and strategic terms. This failure casts doubt on Boeing's ability to fulfill its role in NASA's long-term plans for ISS crew transportation. The failure of Boeing's Starliner space capsule represents a critical juncture for both the company and its partnership with NASA. The technical malfunctions that jeopardize the safety of astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore have prompted NASA to turn to SpaceX as a reliable alternative for their return. As the company works to address the technical and operational issues with Starliner, the broader implications for its reputation and future NASA contracts remain to be seen. NASA's focus on ensuring safe and reliable crew access to the ISS will continue to shape the aerospace landscape, with Boeing needed to demonstrate significant improvements to regain confidence and secure its role in future missions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Isma.